Good morning. After a lot of wrangling, Greek political parties have reached a deal on new austerity measures necessary to secure international aid and avert a default. But the Greek parliament needs to ratify the economic reforms. The news was confirmed by ECB president, who left interest rates unchanged. Investors will continue to keep close tabs on events out of the euro area, particularly Greece. The Bank of England kept rates steady but expanded the size of its QE program. The US labor market conditions continue to improve slightly. The opening today will be lower as Asian markets are mostly in the red. US stocks closed with slender gains, as did their European counterparts. December IIP print is seen between 2.5 to 3.5%. This is lower than November's reading of 5.9%. However, the markets may not get swayed much as the IIP data generally has been quite erratic. Globally, equities have got off to a strong start in 2012, so don't be surprised if market players turn a little hesitant in pushing stocks much higher. Indian markets resumed its ascent on Thursday after an initial jerk in the opening trade. The Nifty closed above 5,400. There could be further rise in the Nifty towards 5,500 in the coming days, provided the FI inflows remain positive and global markets are in good health. The FIs were net buyers of Rs 12 billion in the cash segment on Thursday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers at Rs 10.37 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The FIs were net sellers of Rs 973.6 million in the F&O segment on Thursday, according to the provisional NSE data. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 4.5 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, as per the final SEBI data. Mutual funds were net buyers at Rs 300 million on the same day. Moving on to a recommendation, the technical call for the day is: we advise buying Biocon above Rs 286 with stop loss placed at Rs 278 and for the target price of Rs 305. Our derivative strategy for the day is long APIL February futures below Rs 381 for the target price of Rs 401 and a stop loss placed at Rs 371. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.